How to unblock or block Google Chrome pop-ups, or you can say notifications. If you are getting the unnecessary notification at this corner, bottom corner at on your window, then you can simply do some settings on your Chrome browser and you can easily get right on it. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Then so let me open the Chrome browser first. Okay, so first thing we need to check whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. So this is for security reason. Just click on this three dot option, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can check whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start automatically updating, and after update you will see the relaunch button here. Just click on relaunch, and after reopen your Chrome browser, we are going to just reopen your Chrome browser. Now just click in three dot icon here, go to the settings. Under the settings, you will see the sidebar here. This is option sidebar. Go to the privacy and security, go to the site settings. So guys, there is a two type of pop-ups, or you can say notification. First is the notification. Pop-ups and notifications comes in same corner at window. So I'm going to show you that both two settings. Okay, first come to the privacy, then come to the site settings, and here you can see the notification. So here you have to don't allow site notifications, but sometime you may have the important notification, like notification from your email ID, notification from the social sites. Okay, then you can customize the behavior. You can click on the don't allow site notification, and you can add some site to send notification from here. So you can allow some shared site, like if you want to add gmail.com, so you can add the gmail.com, then gmail.com will be allow the send notification. Okay, so this is setting you can do. We can also block some site if you want. There is a customize option you can use, and second option is the pop-ups. So come to this. Okay, for pop-ups you have to come again in privacy security option, go to the site settings and just scroll down, and under the content section you can see the pop-ups and the redirects. Same, you have to click do not allow to site pop-ups, and you can remove site from here. If there is any site to allow to send pop-ups, you can remove from here. Okay, sometimes unknown site by default by mistakenly added here by you, so you can remove from here. Okay, and now we are going to talk about the unsecure content. You have to just add any website, then you want to block this, which is you thought this is unblocked. So you can add some site here. If you want to block some site by manually, you can add sites like any site like this, and then this site will be not allowed to show any insecure content and pop-ups. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.